Hello and welcome to another video in the series. Today we will be looking at some of the gotchas that Golang has and we will learn about them, right? So let's get started. Let me know the output of this code. First we are assigning x and y 13 and 3.5. So as we run this, so if we run this, we see that here mismatched type int and float 64. So for this, we can do like 13 and 13.5 like this, and this gets solved. I mean, at least it works, right? So we see the output here. And to solve this, we can just do change the type here, just for we change the type like this and run. So this is the solution for the problem that we see. Can you guess the output of this code? So we are doing first, we are doing one map here, string to int, and we are assigning 10 to it. Let's see the output here. We ran into panic assignment to entry in nil map. So we do not have any entry in the map. So what we can do is we just assign it here, just assign, and what we want to do is we want to get the height as 10, right? So as we are using var keyword, we should be using this like so. So this is the fix for this problem. Often in the interviews, you will get this question entry in nil map. It panics, but we should be sure that we are assigning some value before accessing it, right? So next up, right? Now we see the example, next example. So here we see that string is being assigned here. So can you guess out as it is printing a line? Yeah, so we see the output as go t java. So we have seen the output here, go slash t java slash n python. So completely the string is considered as one string, but if we want to access the escape characters, we use double quotes. So we see the slash t in effect and slash n in effect, right? So this one is one gotcha here. Another example here. So we are having this data and it says we love Go and length of the data. Can you guess the output here? Okay, I think you guessed it. So the output is 7. So when we are like finding the length of any string, so it will give the size in bytes. So when we inquire about length of string, it will give the size in bytes. So here we are assigning nil to data, and we see that in action now. See here we say cannot use nil as a string value in variable declaration, invalid operation, mismatched types, string to untyped nil. So what we do, we do star of this, and this is working fine. So basically, we are assigning it in this string, and star string is a type of pointer variable which points to the value of type string. So zero value of pointer is nil. Right? So we have assigned constant I equal to 0. So in this program, we did not see any error, as we have seen that variable declare has to be used, but in the case of constant, constants are calculated at the time of compile time, and cannot have any side effects. So this makes them easy to eliminate, and they are not included in compiled binary. So binaries do not have. So if you see that if we do just the build command, so we have got this exe here, and in the binary, this is the binary which it does not have the constants, right? And it is calculated at the time of compilation. Right, that's it for today's video. I will see you in next one. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.